Let's start with Pfizer. They're setting a price $20 a dose. How might that just change the competitive landscape and the impact of what the rivals might actually do with their own vaccines?
Yeah, it certainly sets a price ceiling, Dave. The company says it's pursuing a 2-dose regimen that's going to cost about $40, which they say is 30% less than what others charge for a seasonal flu vaccine. And in the latest deal with the U.S., the government has agreed to secure 100 million doses on approval from the FDA and can get as many as 500 million more doses if they want. And we saw, as you can see, Pfizer shares and its partner BioNTech's ADRs jump on the news, while rival AstraZeneca fell as much as 3% in London. And analysts are saying while that price point is fair, the two do stand to profit as well. Bloomberg Intelligence expects a windfall of $15 billion in revenue for Pfizer. And this is after we saw the two reporting positive preliminary data from one of its candidates this week. It's also signed deals with the UK government to secure 30 million doses. So we are seeing more countries try to secure more of these supply deals. But there are also concerns about supply as well, and questions of whether poor countries may be left behind.
And Yvonne, Hong Kong has seen another daily record of local infections. Does the government have a handle on this third wave yet?
Well, the Secretary for Food and Health, Sophia Chan, said that the epidemic is at the most severe moment for Hong Kong right now. The city hit a record 105 new local virus cases. More than half of those are untraceable, and it's prompted the health officials here to expand restrictions. So effective today, you must wear a mask in indoor public venues, including malls, shops, supermarkets. That's been expanded from beyond just public transport. And they've also extended the 14-day quarantine for visitors with travel history to China, Taiwan, and Macau to September 7th. And the U.S. and Kazakhstan are also added to a list of high-risk regions. So travelers who have been to those countries in the last 2 weeks must pass a virus test before boarding their flights. And the government says they may tighten rules further if cases continue to surge. But for now, Hong Kong avoiding a lockdown.